Welcome. I'm Maurizio Cutolo, Professor of Rheumatology at the University of Genova. It's my pleasure to introduce the 43rd European Workshop for Rheumatology Research that will be held in Genova, 9-11 May 2024. The workshop is endorsed by the European Society of Rheumatology, EWRR, by the Italian Society of Rheumatology, by the University of Genova, by the American Autoimmune Association, and by the European Network of Rare Disease, Connective Tissue Diseases, ReCONNET. The lecturers and chairman of the Congress are among the most important specialists and experts on basic and clinical research related to rheumatic disease and autoimmune rheumatic diseases. And we will have 10 sessions, and the Congress, the workshop will start with the EWRR study group sessions as every year. Then, among the content of the session, we will have update on cell subset networking in arthritis, gender, stress immune response in rheumatic diseases, environmental factor and epigenetic modulation, endothelial cells reactivity and macrophages transition in inflammation and fibrosis in autoimmune rheumatic disease, as well as soft tissue reactivity and bone spine repair to injury, the interface between microbiota and local systemic immune response, as well the multifaceted autoimmune inflammatory mechanism and related syndrome, and detection of cancer and transition from cancer to autoimmune rheumatic disease and vice versa, as well as precision medicine and novel targets for intervention in autoimmune and rheumatic disease. Of course, there will be a session on immune and innate and adaptive immunity, as well as in connective tissue disease. All the workshop will be organized on 18 plenary lectures with 2 keynote lectures, 34 oral presentations managed by 20 chairmen. We have also 230 posters presented in 20 poster tours managed by 40 chairmen. And finally, 50 travel EWRR bursary offered by EWRR, 10 prizes offered by the Italian Society of Rheumatology, and 10 hour plaques offered by ReCONNET, the European Network on Rare Connective Tissue Disease. All the prize and the final comments will be during the closing ceremony at the end of the meeting. Few words on the Congress venues: easy to reach by airport, by railway station, by highway, and also having a very large parking. And as you can see in the picture, the Congress Center is in the middle of the Old Harbor. And it's very interesting, the history of the Congress venue, because this history is told in the 80s here, when it was docks for the cotton coming from the colonies, and Genoa was an important harbor collecting goods from the colonies. And as you can see, the harbor was already very busy. In the 1950s, the docks, still big docks for different goods, but the harbor became slowly and more important for the shipping and for the connection from the North America, South America, and so on. And up to 20 years ago, that the docks were transformed in a very efficient Congress centers. You can see here in the last picture, with wonderful rooms. And this is one of the rooms, is the main auditorium that will host our workshop on rheumatology research during the period I mentioned. Let me spend a few words thanking my local team, and of course, this is the occasion to welcome all of you, inviting you to join. The Congress will be a very stimulating workshop, very rich of interesting argumentation. So please come and subscribe as soon as possible. Thank you. Arrivederci.